So yeah, never tried this before, the Polar Express chocolate, hot chocolate. I just put it in there for the time being. Just thought to put it in here, so yeah, because I just at the bottom bit of that, but you see the marshmallows inside. Just put torch on, you see. And yeah, so yeah, it's like that bit of chocolate will actually on this side, on the inside. I just set the outside, and it's actually, yeah, and then I like it on it how it says Polar Express. So yeah, so just in it a minute. Never tried this one before, but the only reason why I put milk in that one, and technically the milk ingredient is that one. And so yeah, and I thought, well, give it a try, and I thought, put that in there just for the time being. Now it shows you what's in it. I think I might have to get that a little bit longer, to be honest. Yeah, another 30 more seconds. Like the microwave I'm using today is technically a one I don't want. I'm not a big fan on. Like if we want to say you want it for like 12 minutes, it's one of the AliExpress. That one, and then whatever you want. But if it's between 1 and 6, then you can just press it and then start. But I'm not technically a fan of the ones. I like the other button ones. That's a bit more. That's a bit more warm. Yeah. So, but then it is melting shit in the end. You just tell it's just melting. I want I'm going to do, I'm going to be crafty. Put it in for another 30 seconds. But yeah, I never tried it before. So, yeah. Very easy. I'll sort that out after. But yeah. So I try to make sure they don't leak out of the top. Now I do need a spoon. Nothing. So that's been melted. I can't feel any. It's just dead. I don't know how to fit. I think I might have to put too much milk in, I don't know. But yeah, I think I tried one before, Charlie and the Crockett Factory. And I tried it with one of my exes with me at the time when I tried it, and it worked nice. And then I think it was another one. So yeah, give that a try. Do it like a compo, that's the song online. So it needs extra hot chocolate. Not too much. That's not done. I want it stiff. the better. Absolutely brilliant. Fantastic. Thank you, Barnes. Thank you very much. My opinion, out of 10. 100 out of 100. Fantastic. See you later. Bye for now.